Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Varsha. I hope you all are doing good. Take care of yourself. Today is not any shopping haul. I'm going to share my experience with you guys in terms of Vedics. I've been using Vedics from past 1 month. It's not a 1 month, it's more than a 1 month now. So I just thought to make a video on it to share my experience. And trust me guys, it's 100% genuine review on it. So I would request to all, please do watch this video till the end, because here I will be giving you all the information in detail. So I don't want you guys to miss out on anything. So before I continue, I would request you all, please do click on like if you like the video, and do subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. And if you want, you can write your comments, what you think about this video in the comment box. I would highly appreciate that. So let's start the video. The first thing, we will talk about their packaging. The packaging is really good. It's really awesome. Nothing was damaged. You do receive the packet this way. This way. And when you open this one, you get another box. These things, you get another box. I'll just quickly show you what do you get after that. After this, you get this one. There are 3 products, customized product. One is shampoo, that is 100 ml. This is 100 ml. The next one is oil. It's 100 ml too. And then third one is serum. Now how to use it? It's a weekly program. On Monday, Wednesday and Friday you have to use oil. And then on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday you have to use this serum. If you have any issues with oil like me, I cannot take the oil for longer period. I feel sweat, I feel irritate after applying oil. So what I do, I just apply the oil before I go to bed. So this what you can do. You have to take little amount of oil. I will share how much you have to take the oil to use it. Take the amount of oil and then apply it on your scalp. Okay, or else what you can do, you can just simply make a hole on this. This is what I do, and then apply directly. Apply directly. After applying oil, लगाने के बाद में आपको मसाज करना है at least 10 to 15 minutes. And the next day you have to clean it. You have to wash it off. So you have to clean it with this shampoo. The amount of shampoo is not really good. It's not enough. If you have long hair, trust me guys, आपको enough नहीं है. So in this case, what you can do, take little, just wet your hair. आप अपने बालों को गीला कर दीजिए. Wet your hair. Later on, take little amount. Just take little amount of shampoo and then apply it. इसमें काफ़ी झाग नहीं है, आपको फोम नहीं दिखाई देगा, बट इट्स रियली गुड. इट्स दिस मेक्स योर हेयर वेरी स्मूथ. सो टेक लिटल अमाउंट ऑफ शैम्पू एंड देन wash it off your oil. You have to repeat this at least 2 or 3 times. I do it for 3 times. After washing your hair on the same day, that is Tuesday, then Thursday and on Saturday, you have to apply this serum. इन द नाइट बिफोर यू गो टू बेड, मीन्स आपको सोने से पहले 2 घंटे पहले आपको इस सीरम को लगाना है। जो नोजल है, डू यू सी दिस, आपको इससे ऐसे लेके आपको आपके स्कैल्प पे लगाना है इस सीरम को। व्हाट आई डू, आई अप्लाई द, मैं सीरम को लगाने के बाद आई लिव इट फॉर अ मिनट टू सेटल डाउन, देन मसाज करना है उसके ऊपर एटलीस्ट 5 मिनट्स, 5 to 7 मिनट्स आपको मसाज करना है उसके ऊपर। एंड द नेक्स्ट डे आपको ऑयल लगाना है, यानी मंडे को आपको ऑयल लगाना है, ट्यूसडे को धोना है, रात को आपको सीरम लगाना है, एंड देन नेक्स्ट डे आपको ऑयल लगाना है, दैट इज़ वेडनेसडे, एंड देन थर्सडे को आपको धोना है, सीरम लगाना है, फ्राइडे को ऑयल लगाना है, सैटरडे को आपको बालों को धोना है और फिर आपको सीरम लगाना है। संडे को नो एक्टिविटीज़, देयर इज़ नथिंग। Now I spoke about their products, how to use it. Let me share how it works, on which level. But prior to that, let me tell you my story. I've been having hair fall, it's not exactly hair fall, it's hair fall with hair loss, past 3 years. I've consulted dermatologists, have spent more than 30,000. I've tried lots of things after watching video on the YouTube. Nothing worked either. Since last year, I'm getting this advertisement about Vedics, and recently I checked there are some celebrities are involved, they have purchased Vedics, so I just thought to order one, like 1 month. They charged me around 750 rupees because it was extra discount. Yes, I will share my code with you guys. I hope you should get more 25% discount when you ordered Vedics. You will find the code in the description box. So when I ordered this Vedics, I have ordered for myself and I have ordered for my mother who is having thyroid problem. So thyroid people, please do watch this video. Within 3 days, when I've started applying, I started the cycle from Monday onwards. I received the package, I received these products on Thursday, but I did not continue the next day onwards. I have continued from Monday onwards. Within 3 days, I got the result. मेरे बाल ऐसे झड़ते थे, but after applying oil and when I washed that off, I didn't find any hair fall after that. हाँ, पर अभी जब भी आप बाल धोते हो, धोने की प्रोसीजर में, तभी एटलीस्ट आपके बाल 10 to 15 या 10 to 20 बाल निकलते हैं। और जब भी आप क्लीन करते हो टॉवल से, जब भी आप कोम करते हैं, एटलीस्ट you can see 5 to 6 hair on the ground, on the floor. So that's the normal, that is not the hair fall. I'm just waiting for new hair to be come back. I hope to. Now I'll talk about my mother. My mother, she is having a thyroid problem from many years when we were very small. The result is the same with my mother too. Her hair fall stopped within 3 days. Okay, but these products, people who like the one who has irritation, like dryness, like I had dryness, even dandruff. My mother, she had itching problem, काफ़ी खुजली होती थी. Even she used to get kind of how can I tell you guys, she used to find little thickness, kind of a kind of dandruff, not exactly dandruff, but she used to get swelling on her scalp. That problem has been resolved, even mine too. I don't feel itching now. Dandruff, so much dandruff that used to fall like a snowfall. but it's been stopped now. There's no more dandruff. Hair become very smooth. बालों में काफ़ी ताकत आ गई है, खींच सकती हूँ। पहले तो मैं खींच भी नहीं सकती थी। इवन जब भी आप तोड़ते हो बालों को, अगर आपको हेयर फॉल रहेगा तो बालों में कोई जान नहीं रहते, पर नाउ यस, व्हेन आई जस्ट ट्राई टू ब्रेक इट टू सी, उसमें से आवाज़ आती टक करके। So this is all about Vedics, about my experience and how it works. So our request to all, please go for this Vedics. At least try 1 month. They won't be behind you, like you can cancel the subscription if you have taken. But I would request to all, take the subscription because that is more cheaper than the 1 month. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please do click on like and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your valuable time. Thank you for watching this video and your support. Have a great day. Take care. Tata. Bye bye.